Hello and welcome to English News Bulletin of Halla Bol. This is Rashmi here with you. Before moving to the details, let us have a look at the day's headlines. Punjab Congress MLA and organizational in charge of Tripura Pradesh Congress, Kuljit Singh Nagra, to visit the state on 11th of October. Indian High Commission introduced online visas for the citizens of Bangladesh. CPIM held protest over Tripura's crippling health services and fake promises of the BJP government. Clear out the office of Health Department. Tripura Bar Association condemned the illegal police search at senior advocate Bhaskar Dev's residence. Now the news in details. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi taunts Prime Minister Narendra Modi over wind turbine ideas over a tweet on Friday. In his social media Twitter account, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi shared a video clip of interaction of Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the CEO of a wind turbine company. Sharing the video, former AICC President Rahul Gandhi tweeted, "The real danger to India is that people around Prime Minister don't tell him that he doesn't understand." Let's have a look at the video.
वाटर शक करके अगर क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर भी प्रोड्यूस कर सके तो इधर विंड टर्बाइन एनर्जी का भी काम करेगा और पीछे की तरफ से वो हवा में से मॉइस्चराइज एयर सक करके उसमें से पानी निकाल करके वो पानी भी, क्योंकि ये खासकर ये जो कोस्टल एरिया होते हैं वहाँ पर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर एक तकलीफ होती है हमेशा, तो टर्बाइन एक प्रकार से गांव के ड्रिंकिंग वाटर की समस्या का समाधान कर सकता है। दूसरा मेरा सुझाव है कि हम हवा में से ऑक्सीजन सेपरेट कर सकते हैं इस टर्बाइन के माध्यम से ही, अगर साइंटिफिक व्यवस्था थोड़ी डेवलप की जाए।
Taking a dig at Prime Minister Modi over his ideas on wind turbine energy, Rahul Gandhi said, "The real danger to India isn't that Prime Minister doesn't understand, but the people around him lacks the guts to tell him that." He said the same while sharing a video between Prime Minister Modi and Vestas CEO Henrik Anderson on Twitter. Thursday, Prime Minister Modi spoke to Henrik Anderson about a host of issues related to the wind energy sector and highlighted India's efforts to harness renewable energy in order to build a cleaner future for the coming generations. It needs to be mentioned that Vestas is among the biggest wind turbine companies in the world and is considered a pioneer in the industry. Bureau Report, Halla Bol. AICC General Secretary, Punjab Congress MLA and organizational in charge of Tripura Pradesh Congress going to visit the state for the first time on 11th of October, that is Sunday. His one-day visit is going to boost up the spirit of the Congress party in the state. The pioneer of protest movement built up by the Congress all over the country against the black laws passed by the centre that would likely destroy the farmers all over the country, Kuljit Singh Nagra, AICC General Secretary, Punjab Congress MLA, organizational in charge of Tripura Pradesh Congress and political advisor to the Chief Minister of Punjab, is going to visit Tripura for the first time on 11th of October. This will be Nagra's first visit to Tripura after he has been appointed as the organizational in charge of Pradesh Congress of 3 northeastern states including Tripura, Mizoram and Nagaland, replacing ex-Chief Minister of Goa Luisino Felirio, who was the organizational in charge of the entire northeast. Kuljit Singh Nagra has been given the charge of Tripura, Mizoram and Nagaland Pradesh Congress. Nagra, considered as a strong, daring leader of the Indian National Congress, is going to visit Tripura on 11th of October, that is Sunday, to look out at the various aspects of Tripura Pradesh Congress. The members of the Tripura Pradesh Congress believe that ahead of the upcoming ADC elections in the state, his visit is definitely going to boost up the spirit of the Pradesh Congress leaders and members and to help to strengthen the organization. Bureau Report, Halabor. The Indian High Commission introduced online visas for the citizens of Bangladesh. This could be known after the information was uploaded at the Indian Visa online portal on Friday. The Indian High Commission introduced online visas for the citizens of Bangladesh. However, the country is giving visas to the foreigners in other categories besides tourism. This information could be found on the Indian Visa online portal on Friday. However, the Indian High Commission also said that the visas will be introduced in other categories including the tourists soon. The categories in which the visas are presently available are medical, business, job, general admission, journalist, diplomatic, official and unofficial. Due to Corona, the opportunity for Bangladeshi citizens to pass through the land ports adjacent to the Bangladesh-India border has been blocked since the afternoon of March 13. Later, due to their ban, the return route of Indian nationals staying in Bangladesh was blocked. Later, thousands of Bangladeshis stranded in India returned by land and air. Besides, from March 22, the government of India stopped import and export trade by rail and land at Benapole port. Import and export trade by rail and land has been active between the countries for some time now. Now, conditional introduction of passengers is also introduced. Under the COVID situation, various countries have yet not allowed free entry to foreigners, though several countries are allowing tourists to enter conditionally. Bureau Report, Halabor. CPM held protest over Tripura's crippling health services and fake promises of providing rupees 10 lakhs to the family of the COVID deceased. Gherao the office of the Health Department. CPM Gherao, Director of Health Department's office, seeking rupees 10 lakhs compensation to the COVID deceased family members. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb announced the compensation amount long back, but till date no compensation has been given to anyone, though lots of people in the state lost their lives due to COVID-19. Following the Chief Minister's statement, a circular was also issued in this regard on 19th of May 2020, which mentioned that the family of the COVID deceased will get an amount of rupees 6 lakhs from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund and 4 lakhs from the State Disaster Fund. But these two came out to be a jumla of the Biplab-led Saffron government in Tripura. Also, Chief Minister Biplab Deb promised to give rupees 1,500 per family of the COVID patients along with other helps, but that too remains unfulfilled till now. In protest over the unfulfilled and fake promises, CPM Gherao the Director Office today. Addressing the protest demonstration, senior CPM leader Pavitra Kar said, issuing government circular, the BJP promised to give rupees 1,500 to the COVID-affected families at home isolation. Along with this, he also added that food materials will also be provided.
কিংবা করোনা রোগী যারা তার পরিবার যারা কোয়ারেন্টাইনে থাকবেন প্রত্যেক পরিবারকে এককালীন ১,৫০০ টাকা চাল ডাল সয়াবিন তেল এই খাদ্য সামগ্রী সরকার থেকে সরবরাহ করা হবে। আমি জিজ্ঞেস করতে চাই জেলা শাসকদের কটা মানুষ পেয়েছে আমাদের দেশের জাতীয় পতাকাকে পেছনে রেখে, যে কেন্দ্রীয় সরকার বলেছে ৪ লাখ টাকা করে যারা মারা যাবে তাদের দেওয়ার জন্য। আমরা মন্ত্রিসভা ঘোষণা করেছি আমরা ত্রিপুরায় ১০ লক্ষ টাকা যাব যারা করোনায় মারা গেছেন। শুধু ডাক্তার, নার্স, ফ্রন্টলাইন ওয়ার্কার যারা তারা না, ৩৭ লক্ষ ত্রিপুরাবাসী এই করোনায় আক্রান্ত হয়ে যারা মারা যাবেন তাদের কোনো ইন্স্যুরেন্স না। ৪ লাখ টাকা কেন্দ্রীয় তহবিল থেকে আসবে আর ৬ লাখ টাকা দেব মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর তহবিল থেকে। সরকার তথ্য গোপন করছে।
The COVID-19 prevention hypes of Tripura BJP government remained just in serving lemon water and fruits distribution program. Using the dais, state's Chief Minister gave long and fabricated speeches and promises to the common man of the state. But in reality, no compensation has been paid to the COVID-19 deceased families yet. Bureau Report, Halabol. Tripura Bar Association strongly condemned the illegal police search at senior advocate Bhaskar Dev's residence. Said there is no law and order in the state where the police doesn't follow any rules. Tripura Bar Association Executive Committee on Friday held a press meet strongly condemning the illegal police search at Advocate Bhaskar Dev's residence Thursday night. The police allegedly came without any search warrant and said that they came to search an accused of a case that has been registered in Teliamura police station. While addressing the media, executive member of Tripura Bar Association said senior advocate Bhaskar Dev, who is practicing in Bar Association for almost 20 years, yesterday night police went to his house. On being asked, they said that they came from Teliamura to search an accused of a case that has been registered in Teliamura police station. The executive members strongly condemned this act of the police while saying that they came without any search warrant, which is totally against the protocols. They added the police has no authority to do this and the CRCPC, IPC or the Constitution doesn't give them any right to do so. The members of Tripura Bar Association, while condemning the act of police illegal intervention at Advocate Bhaskar Dev's residence, said there is no law and order in the state. The police doesn't follow any rules or norms.
গতকালকে সকাল 8টা 8:30 বা 9টার মধ্যে ওনার বাড়িতে একটা আনওয়ান্টেড ইনসিডেন্ট হয়েছে। ইনসিডেন্টটা এরকম, উনি বাড়িতে ছিলেন না, ওনার ওয়াইফ ছিল। এমত অবস্থায় ওনার বাড়িতে বিশাল এক পুলিশ বাহিনী গিয়ে উপস্থিত। ওনার মিসেস, উনিও আইনজীবী, সুজাতা গুপ্ত, ওনার বাড়িতে গেল। বলছে আপনাদের বাড়ি আমরা সার্চ করব। কেন সার্চ করবেন? বলছে আমরা তেলিয়ামুড়া থানা থেকে এসেছি। তেলিয়ামুড়া থানা কেস নাম্বার 104/2020। এই কেসে আসামিরা পলাতক এবং ওনাদের কাছে ইনফরমেশন আছে আসামিদেরকে ভাস্করবাবু ওনার বাড়িতে জায়গা দেন। পুলিশকে জানতে চাওয়া হলো যে আপনারা যদি বৈধভাবে আইনি প্রক্রিয়া মেনে আপনারা আমার বাড়ি সার্চ করুন, তাতে আমার কোনো আপত্তি নেই। কিন্তু আপনাদের এই যে সার্চ করার জন্য যে সমস্ত বিধিনিষেধ আছে, পুলিশ তো যে কেউ বাড়িতে যে কোনো মুহূর্তে ঢুকতে পারবে না। ভারতবর্ষের বিচার প্রক্রিয়া চলার স্বার্থে আইপিসি সিআরপিসিতে যে বিধান রয়েছে সেখানে সেকশন 93 এবং সেকশন 165-এ বলা আছে কিভাবে কারো বাড়িতে বা কোনো স্থানে কোনো সার্চ করতে হবে।
Also, the members of Tripura Bar Association mentioned that the advocates have the right to contact with the accused persons and to help them legally in the court. But police harassment without any legal orders cannot be accepted. Lawyers are beyond any political colors and they requested the government and its administration to follow this. Bureau Report, Halabol. Well, that's all from the English desk at this moment. For more news and updates, stay tuned to Halabol.